The Roomba has cliff sensors which will prevent it from driving over an edge. Here's the Roomba on a step. Here's home base. Home base is turned off right now. The cord is unplugged. I have to do that in order to be able to use the remote control because they interfere with one another. Just to prove you can't drive it off a cliff. So and if I try to, see, it says no, 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 won't let you do that. But let's put it back where it was. Turn on the home base. See, the power light's on. And now tell Roomba to go seek home base. And it just ran itself right over the edge. Very weird behavior.